Nordstrom Trunk is here. I'm super excited to get my third trunk. I can't wait to show you the pieces that they sent me. I'm super excited to try them on. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ashley Delmore and I put out videos on fashion, beauty, and luxury on Fridays. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click subscribe and turn on the bell and you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my latest Nordstrom trunk. Y'all, I am on my third trunk and I am in love. So Nordstrom recommends that you get these trunks seasonally and I've kept up with that. And I love them because they just keep sending me pieces I wouldn't necessarily pick for myself, but end up loving them. So just a quick rundown of the process. You give your stylist just a few guidelines and they look at the season and what's trending and they pick some looks for you. They send you a preview and you have 24 to 48 hours to review your preview. And then you can either swap things or you can remove things from your trunk. And then once you've approved your trunk, they're gonna send you out your trunk usually within like a week. This particular time, I have been waiting for my trunk a little longer than usual, and that's to be expected with a lot of the shipping delays across the country. What I love about Nordstrom trunks is just how easy it is to return as well. I can either drop off my trunk at my local Nordstrom's or I can drop it off at a FedEx location and they take the return and it's really, really easy. I also really like that they keep track of what they've sent me before, and a lot of times they'll mix and match the pieces they sent me on one trunk with a previous trunk, so that's really great. This particular trunk I'm really excited about because I really need more in between fall and winter clothing. I live in Southern California and it doesn't get that cold, but cold enough that I still need some warm clothes. So I'm really excited to try the pieces they selected for me. Let me get my trunk. All right, here's my Nordstrom trunk. I love the packaging. The packaging on this is so cute. I always love the pattern on these trunk boxes. And I love the fact that it has a handle that makes it really, really easy to carry. All right, so I have everything unpackaged. The first piece in my Nordstrom trunk is this ASTR, the label sweater. It's got this nice kind of twist detail in the front. It's got an unusual neckline. I have a little bit of a square neckline sweater in a similar color, but not quite like this. And this sweater retails for $69. The material is okay. It's not the softest sweater in the group, but it's an exciting shape for me, so I can't wait to try this one on. It's a little bit more form-fitting than the other sweaters, so I don't know, with the winter bulge, I don't know if that's gonna be my thing, but we'll try it on. The next item in my Nordstrom trunk is this BB Dakota Steve Madden Moto jacket. It's a faux suede. I like the color a lot. It's really soft. I'm not sure how warm it's going to be, but this is something that's out of my comfort zone. I have a black leather moto jacket that I love, but I don't really have anything this color as far as outerwear, so I'm really excited to try this one on. It's got a nice zipper going through it. It's kind of got an asymmetrical vibe. I like these tabs on the shoulder as well. It's really cute, but we'll see how I like it. This jacket retails for $99. The next item in my Nordstrom trunk is this gold necklace from Madewell. It's really kind of a short length and I could totally see me adding this to my existing stack of necklaces. I love that it has these little different shapes on it. It's got circles and diamonds. I'll have to get you a close-up of this so you can see. But it's a really, really cute necklace that I would just add to a stack. It's nothing special, but it's super, super cute and super dainty. This necklace retails for $29. The next item in my Nordstrom trunk is this pair of, it's a medium wash blue skinny jeans from Madewell. They have a raw hem at the bottom, which is something unusual for me. I don't have anything like that. Oh, just kidding. I have a pair of express jeans that have a raw hem. but it's not something I wear all the time. And these have a high waist to them. I love that they're a medium wash, and I have another pair of Madewell jeans I really, really love that I also got in a Nordstrom trunk. These are super cute. These retail for $128. The next item in my Nordstrom trunk is this puff sleeve sweater by One State. It's so cute. I love, love, love puff sleeves, and it feels pretty nice too, material wise. This is a super, super me thing to wear. I love a statement sleeve. I love puffy sleeves, so I could totally see me wearing this. This sweater retails for $79, and I can't wait to try this one on. The next item in my Nordstrom trunk is this Bishop sleeve Vince Camuto sweater. And I love how it has this keyhole detail in the front. I think that's really, really cute. And it's got these balloon sleeves, which I just told y'all how I love, love, love statement sleeves. This feels really soft. It's like a nice cotton blend, and I love the dark gray color. I think it would look really, really good with some black boots and some darker jeans. This is a super cute item I'm super excited to try on. This sweater retails for $89. It's times like these that my husband, being my editor, is challenging because he's going to fall out when he hears the price of these jeans. So these are some AG jeans in the color Inked. They're a dark denim. It's the style Mari, and they're a straight leg jean. And I absolutely love them. I think they're super, super cute. But when he hears they're $198, I'm dead. So these are really, really cute, and I can't wait to try them on. And if they work, I might be able to convince him to let me keep them. But $198 for jeans it's a lot, but AG is a premium brand that I absolutely love. So I can't wait to try these on. The next item in my Nordstrom trunk is this Treasure and Bond. It's a gray turtleneck sweater, and y'all, it is so, so, so soft. I love Nordstrom's Treasure and Bond brand. I think they have some great basic pieces, and this sweater is just so soft. I can't wait to try it on. There's nothing really special to it, but it's just a good basic staple that I think everyone needs. This sweater retails for $45. The next piece in my Nordstrom trunk is another Treasure and Bond sweater. This one is a beige mock neck turtleneck sweater, and it feels oh so soft. I love it. This sweater is another just great basic from the Treasure and Bond line at Nordstrom. This sweater retails for $79. The last piece in my Nordstrom trunk, and one I was really on the fence about, is this fleece shirt jacket. It's almost, the outside of it is like a sweatshirt material, and the inside is really soft like a sweatshirt. We've seen a lot of these fleece jackets this season. I'm interested to see how this one's gonna look. I like the olive green color. I've been wearing a lot more olive green lately, and I don't know, I tend to prefer jackets that don't have a ton of buttons, so I can't see me buttoning this one up or wearing it for more fancy occasions. It's really just a casual weekend type of thing, so I'll have to see how much I like this one. They might surprise me. We'll see how I like it when it gets on. This fleece shirt jacket retails for $79. Let's go try on some clothes.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you. Full speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around. without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding.
All right, so let's go over what I'm keeping and what I'm returning. So the first thing I'm keeping is I absolutely loved this gray sweater. It was so soft and so cozy, and I could see me wearing it with a lot of different things, so I absolutely have to have it. Another item I'm keeping is this puff sleeve sweater. I was obsessed with it from the preview they sent me, and I absolutely loved this one. I also loved this Vince Camuto sweater as well. I love the keyhole detail. I love the balloon sleeves. It was just really, really cute, and I'm excited to wear this one. And I'm keeping the jeans. I love these AG jeans. They were so comfortable. They looked so good on, and I just felt really good. So definitely have to keep them. Oh, and don't let me forget, I'm also keeping the Madewell necklace. I've already got it with my other two necklaces that I normally wear, and it just looks really good all together. So I'm really excited about that as well. So now on to what didn't work. The first thing that didn't work, and this is not a surprise to me, I tried to keep an open mind, but this Treasure and Bond fleece jacket was like an overpriced sweatshirt. I did not like the style of it. I don't like the material. It just feels like a waste of money for me. So this is going back. Struck out with outerwear in this trunk. This jacket from BB Dakota by Steve Madden, I wanted to love this. I love the color and I love the style. Unfortunately, I'm pretty tall. I'm 5'9". The sleeves were way too short on this, and where the jacket hit was also too short. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to send this one back. I am also going to send back this rib knit mock neck sweater. There's no particular reason, I just didn't love it. It's not bad, it's not, I don't know, it just didn't look great on me, and I do have something similar, so this is something I just couldn't see me wearing, so it's going back. Now, this sweater, my mister absolutely loved it. He loved how tight it was, but me personally, I'm not going out of the house like this, so unfortunately, this is gonna have to go back as well. Super cute, just not for me. I am also sending back these Madewell jeans because they just didn't have enough stretch for me. They were really cute, I liked the style, but they just didn't feel super comfortable. And I thought about, you know, in the fall and winter months, we tend to carry a little bit more weight and want a little bit more of like comfortable jeans, and these just weren't it. So I'm sending these back too. What did you think about my picks? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Until the next video, bye!